Ladies and gentlemen, once again Dr. Akil Ahmed Javed is here. Today topic is again skin itching, but we will discuss a specific area of skin itching. First of all, we should know that what are the reasons of itching basically. There are 4 to 5 reasons from which we can get itching in our body. The first reason may be medication. If you are taking too much excessive medicine like allopathic medicine, it can create itching in your body. The second reason may be you have some liver diseases. Maybe a patient has kidney problems, so he can get also itching problem in his body. The fifth reason may be any patient can be bitten by any insects. That can be a fifth reason for this problem of itching. Now we will discuss the complications of itching. What kind of complications we may have after itching. The patient can lose his sleep. The second reason can be there may be an infection or injury in the body because of violent scratching. Now we will discuss the homeopathic medicine for skin itching, especially in the region of open parts. Open parts mean if you are wearing a sleeveless shirt and you have itching. Now we will discuss homeopathic medicine for this problem, for itching problem. If you have dryness in your skin and your ailments if worse by undressing, and if you have some fissures in your bends, and if there is a change of weather, then we can consider this medicine. And the medicine name is Kali Ars. You can see the medicine on your screen. So these are the conditions. If there are 4 conditions that the case is worsened by undressing, if the skin is dry, and if there are some fissures in your bends, and if there is a change of weather, and then you can directly go for the medicine. The medicine name is Kali Ars. You can see the name of that medicine in your screen right now. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching us. If you have liked our video, then please press the button of like and also press the button of subscribe so that you can receive our video on regular basis. Thank you very much. Dr. Akil Ahmed Javed, Lahore, Pakistan.